Introducing the 60-inch brick pizza oven, our largest and most powerful wood-fired oven, built for those who want the ultimate outdoor cooking experience. Designed with high heat refractory bricks, this oven delivers exceptional heat retention for perfectly cooked pizzas, artisan breads, and slow-roasted meats. Whether you're hosting a large gathering or just enjoying a quiet evening, this oven provides consistent, even cooking every time. To maintain high performance, the oven is wrapped in professional-grade insulation, keeping the heat inside while allowing the exterior to stay safe to the touch. The heavy-duty metal door comes with a built-in thermometer, giving you complete control over your cooking temperature for precise, restaurant-quality results. We offer custom decorative finishes to match your outdoor space. Choose a smooth stucco finish for a sleek, modern look, a classic brick veneer for a rustic charm, or elevate your oven with an elegant mosaic design for a one-of-a-kind artistic touch. Installing your oven is easy with our lightweight concrete panel stand, designed for quick assembly while providing a sturdy and durable foundation. No complicated masonry work needed. We offer delivery straight to your location, ensuring your oven arrives ready for setup and built to last. Enjoy the unmatched flavor of wood-fired cooking, whether you're baking crispy, golden pizzas, creating homemade breads, or slow-cooking tender, juicy meats. Upgrade your outdoor space with the largest and most durable brick pizza oven available. Contact us today to place your order and start making unforgettable wood-fired meals.